I find it very weird that this car just decided to sit here and die, but still no crank, no start. I went through basically all the grounds that power up this engine. Battery is good, brand new starter, alternator is good. Now I don't know if this ignition coil is working, but it's original, worked every time before then. I don't think that's a problem. Never know though. Now I was looking into the wiring diagram, and to start the car, it runs through a series of relays. This relay, it goes through a starter relay underneath the car, goes through a few of these. Now, like I said, this is probably day 2 of me going at it. I'm also thinking it is a interlock switch. But the thing that's interesting about that is you didn't have to press in the clutch to turn this car on. I don't know if all 240s are like that. My car needed the clutch to be pressed in for you to turn it on. But this one, when I first bought it, I just had to turn the key. I did not have to press the clutch in. Now we can say that that interlock switch may have already been going bad, which is the reason why you didn't have to press in the clutch, but then that kind of defies the reason of that whole interlock switch, because you did not have to press in the clutch while turning on the car. Now I want this thing to run, because the next thing that I'm doing is I'm definitely reflocking this dash. So this is underneath the steering wheel, and now my culprit is this one or this one. Oh my god, I figured it out. Keep a close eye on this switch. Now I checked on the back of it and this wasn't connected. Now this is the plug for this switch. And what they did is they just basically hot wired it, thinking or having the car think that this is always pressed in, even if the clutch isn't pressed in. You know what I mean? Fully engaged would be there. There'd be a plastic thing there. And then the car would basically think that it's ready to turn on. Hot wired it. Wow, that makes total sense on why you did not have to press in the clutch while turning it on. Finally, let's go. Car Cannon boys, note to self, always check easy stuff before going and replacing things. That's kind of like my standard, but you know, you live and you learn. I'm glad I went through this process though, because now I know.